Alright, so this is the hot water heater to go out in the studio under the sink. So the studio will have its own fancy hot water supply. And we're hoping it's going to fit in the end cabinet. Oh.
Can't get too out this whole box.
Yep. Ah, hang on. Hang on.
I can't hang on, I've got to hold it.
I know, but it's stuck in here. Oh, do you know what you were meant to do?
What?
The whole box has got no bottom on it. You're meant to lift the box off it. Instead of...
Well, there's the bottom. There. I knew it had a bottom.
Right. Now there's all your important bits.
Yeah.
But the real question is that going to fit in there? Is there a minimum space around it that you have to have?
Oh, I haven't read the instructions
Oh.
yet.
That'll be the next thing.
Pretty big, isn't it?
I know. If it has to go under the sink, it has to go under the sink.
Oh, look, it can go outside too.
Yeah, I know,
It
but
can go
let's
anywhere, but
try
I
to
don't want
avoid.
do
We've already got to deal with those air conditioners.
that. Or safe tray.
Oh,
I've got to go to Reese for that.
oh, okay.
Didn't get it at Bunnings. And
Oh,
get
well.
Bunnings supply this, and the bloke said, oh, no. There you go.
Oh, well, that's good. Hopefully it can be like that and not have... I have a funny feeling, though, it probably has to have a minimum amount of space around it.
No.
Or maybe not. Well, that's good, though. If it fits in there, it just means that cupboard can be shut and it doesn't need to be...
My problem, though, is the tray.
Yeah, I know.
Is 450, which is the outside.
Yeah,
dimension of this
so
cupboard.
it'll have to go
Therein
in the
lies
other
the
one.
Problem.
Yeah.
And it might be easier just to put it
In
inside
there.
the big one.
I agree.
If we've got enough height
For the sink.
for the sink.
I know.
Therein
Well,
lies the next problem.
Should we go and pick out what sink we think
should,
we're going to
yes,
use?
we should.
Yeah, let's go and do that. Okay, so the sinks. Obviously that one's too big. That one would be good, actually. But is
Well,
it...
now we've got a 900 thing. That one would fit.
Oh, how big is that one?
How big?
Yeah, well, how long is it?
Well, it's only 1,000. Well, it's only 950.
Well, so it won't fit.
Well, yeah, it will, because the inside dimension is, oh no, it won't fit. 910.
Oh, what a bugger.
I'd have to crop too much of the
Yeah,
sides
that's
out.
a shame. That
And
one
this
would...
is-
That'll be outside anyway. I think
Yeah,
we'll
good.
put that one outside because people will want that
The
now.
others are all like these.
They're too deep.
Well, I reckon they are. That one's
Oh.
shallower.
No, I mean, they would be ideal. It's just that I think they won't fit with the hot water heater under it.
Yeah, but I can move it one end to the other. So.
Well, let's test one out. Shall we see what it looks like?
Well,
That one's shallower, but it's got that lip on it that you didn't like.
what lip? Oh, they got lips, have they?
No, this one does. The one that you've used as
you
a...
can see the lip on it.
Yeah, I know. So that one's...
These don't have lips, so
Yeah.
these are okay.
Yeah. But you do need it to be a deep sink for cleaning big
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Let's just see what it looks like. Watch out for snakes.
Tell me about it.
Do you need me to assist?
I don't know yet.
You should probably have gloves on, Dad. Okay.
But the problem with these, you've got no drip area over the edge.
What do you mean?
there's nowhere to put the wet things when you bring them out. See, a lot of the other ones you can buy them and they just have
I
a...
know, but I don't want to spend $1,000. I didn't.
paying
They
$1,000.
are.
Anyway.
That's why I didn't get one for the kitchen.
See, that's the full width. No, I can't use that either.
Okay. Are there any more sinks under the house, or are they all out?
The reason I can't use it is...
Yeah, I know. I can see why.
I,
I can see why. I understand.
they're too wide.
Okay. Okay, next.
Yeah, they're all the same, yeah. Yeah, see, they're $5.50 and a bench is only $5.60.
Okay. Well, that's fine. They're intended for the big studio anyway. They're meant to be for the future big shed studio. That was what they're for, so that's fine.
I think the ones under the house are all the same.
Oh, let's have a quick look. Yeah, we do have to trim the roses.
These are ones
Oh, they're all really big.
yeah.
Bugger. Okay, well,
Right, what's going on here?
oh, what is going on there? Oh no, that's quite moist.
Yeah, but I don't know where it's coming
Yeah, I know.
I think it's coming from up there, actually. It's come off here and down there, see?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Wishful thinking, perhaps. That's a problem for another day.
Oh, it works at the moment.
Yeah.
No, none of them are suitable.
All right, well, we need to
We need to go and get
think hard about this. So what are we up to?
levelling up the cabinets for the washing area.
Yep.
Refitted the power socket inside the cabinet.
Yes, that's
And,
where the hot water
Hot
thing's going
water's
to go.
going to go in there. We're just going to level this all up.
That sink's going to be good.
Like so. Just leveling.
Yep, looking good.
Final level before we fix off.
Mm.
Oh, right there. Look at that.
Lashing it down.
That's all right, now they're in there.
Okay.
This basin. Ah, here we go.
Excellent. That's what we need.
Here we go.
Basin.
Bowl square sink.
Oh. Do you think we should get a new one? They're not very deep though.
That one's got a tray on it.
One pocket door coming up. Amazing. That's so good. That Is it meant to do that?
That's how balanced it is.
Amazing.
It's just a feather touch. And off it goes.
You've done a cracking job. So if you can imagine, there'll be a wall there, so the door will slide into that pocket, and of course there will be 3 doors in total, all joined together so that it makes one big window.
Come to there. The other one will go
Next to it.
next to it.
That's cool.
Number 820.
OMG. Wow. Oh, hard to believe, isn't it?
Look at that. Isn't it amazing?
Oh, you are there.
It's good, isn't it? That is amazing.
Hard to imagine, isn't it?
It's exactly how I imagined it. It's great.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
You've got to see it from the outside. Come and look at it outside. It's amazing. Doesn't it look fantastic though? Don't you think?
It does. It just looks. I just can't get over it. But it's just wow. But you had the vision.
I did. It's exactly how I wanted it to look. It looks fantastic. And you know, if you imagine it just in the street, people can walk in. They could walk in off the laneway